How to turn off camera on TikTok Live. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off camera on TikTok Live. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok. Tap on the plus icon on the bottom and now you're on the camera section. Now right here, just go to the live section and start your live. Now, there is no button to just turn off your camera on TikTok Live, but there is a way where you can just, make it seem like you've turned off your camera. Now, the only thing you can do is tap on this icon right here. That will change your camera from your front to back or back to front. Whichever camera you prefer, just hold it up to a surface and then it will just show the black screen like this on your TikTok Live. And that is basically like turning off your camera on TikTok Live. So yeah, that is basically how you can turn off camera on TikTok Live, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. If this video helped you, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye, take care.